Everybody wants to know, what does it cost to do an automated coolant system? With Gen 3, we are focused on making that as affordable as possible. You're going to reach out to us and simply tell us the amount of CNCs that are in your shop. And if you're running a single coolant in that facility for under $10,000, you're going to get all the hardware you need, all the software licenses you need, lifetime warranty on the hardware, commissioning support, training support. We're going to give you kind of a white glove service to get your plants up and running. And then you just transition at that point to $1 a day for every CNC. And this ends up being immediate ROI. Most people can actually look at it with coolant savings. They can look at it with labor savings. They can look at it with tool life, longevity. They can look at it with just unattended production hours that they weren't getting previously. And with Full Shop Gen 3, I think you are going to have a hard time looking at a position and saying, I can't make money with this.